There he is. Yeah. Oh, it was. And he's off. That's the problem when you crimp your barb down. Oh, there he is.
Got him?
Yep.
Yeah, alright, I'm putting bigger fly out.
Yeah.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, switching it up. Right now, Adam.
That's what we're after.
Probably couldn't see it.
Devoured it. Look at that. There you go. Oh, did you see that? Did you see it? Yeah, it is. That's a nice one.
Yes, I see that, Adam. Ridiculous.
I know, right?
Oh,
There he is.
look at the flop. Knew it. Oh, I should have passed that last fish up because I knew there would be a big one in there.
There's another one. Ugh. Well, first rainbow of the trip.